Nubia has officially unveiled its 2024 Ultra flagship smartphone, the Nubia Z70 Ultra, in China. Nubia Z70 Ultra come in 3 color matching, Black Seal, Xianpa, Starry Sky Collection version. The Nubia Z70 Ultra boasts a 6.85-inch AMOLED True Full Screen display. It will feature an under-display camera, with ultra-narrow black bezels reduced to just 1.25mm and a remarkable 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. With 1.5K resolution, the panel will have a 144Hz screen refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness. The Z70 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for lightning-fast performance. It also features AI Frame Perception 2.0. Nubia Z70 Ultra feature an 50MP Sony IMX906 main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide and macro lens, and 64MP periscope telephoto lens. The phone is equipped with a 6150 mAh second-generation silicon carbon anode battery, supporting 80W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging. It also features like IP68/IP69 certification. The Nubia Z70 Ultra starts at 4,599 yuan. The phone is scheduled for a global launch on November 26th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.